मेरा नाम अश्विनी सुनील वाडेकर है। स्टील केस में यहाँ शॉप फ्लोर में मेरे बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं। स्टील केस मेरी पहली जॉब थी और उसके पहले मैं अपने घर के खेतों में काम करती थी। घर में जब एक ही आदमी कमाता है तो चलता नहीं है। मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैं भी कमा लूँ तो मेरे बच्चों का फ्यूचर भी अच्छा हो जाएगा। अब मेरे कुछ छोटे छोटे सपने थे वो भी पूरे हो जाएंगे। स्टील केस ज्वाइन किया तो तब मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि ये मुझे नहीं जमेगा। इतने सारे मशीन देखे, नए आदमी देखे, तो ऐसा लगता था कि मैं नहीं कर सकती थी। वैसे तो मैं घर पर साड़ी पहनती हूँ और कम स्टील केस का एक यूनिफॉर्म है जो मुझे अलाउड नहीं था। घर वाले बोल रहे थे कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे कि ये तुम्हारे घर की बहू है, वो कैसे जीन्स पहनेगी, टी शर्ट पहनेगी। तो मेरी एक छोटी बच्ची है, वो भी बोली कि मम्मी तुम मत जाओ। जब पहली बार मैंने जीन्स और टी शर्ट पहना तो घर से मुझे भी अंदर से ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये नहीं है, सही नहीं है, गलत है। 4 लोग देखेंगे मुझे तो क्या सुनाएंगे, मेरे घर वालों को भी बातें बनाएंगे। तो फिर मैंने सोचा अगर मैं नहीं आज गई तो मेरी बच्ची भी कल नहीं जा पाएगी। मेरे हस्बैंड ने मुझे बोला कि अगर तुम करोगी तो गांव की लड़कियां और लड़कियां भी ये कर सकती है, इसलिए तुम करो, मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ। इस बात पे मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। जब मैंने स्टील केस ज्वाइन किया तो मुझे पता चला कि हम 5 ही लड़कियां हैं और उसके बाद एचआर के साथ हमारी मीटिंग हुई तो उन्होंने बताया कि आप 5 नहीं 500 के बराबर हो। सबको एक जैसी ट्रेनिंग होती है, सबको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है। मेरे स्टील केस ज्वाइन करने के 6 महीने बाद मेरे हस्बैंड ने भी ज्वाइन किया। हम दोनों अब एक साथ ऑफिस जाते हैं। जब मैंने स्टील केस ज्वाइन किया, पहली पेमेंट आई तो मेरे बच्चे के लिए मैंने साइकिल ली थी और वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि वो मेरे तरफ से ली।
You like that video? So I'd like to Tanka share a little bit about what we have been doing in India this week and this very same space that you all sit in.
You can see the energy in the photograph, right? What happened yesterday evening. As I said, we started the journey 20 years back. Bit by bit, we built a brand. We reached out to customers. For us, Steelcase globally, which is more than a century old, I think there are people who have built the brand, right? So we are the brand ambassadors and the custodians. So I think what's paramount for us is creating the last mile experience for customers because we have global customers. We have customers who work with Steelcase across regions, across geographies, and they expect the same amount of experience across, right? That's what the trust the Steelcase brand gives to them, and it's a tall order. Believe me, when with the logistic challenges, infrastructure challenges, when you work with the customers, suddenly setting up first time from North America or Europe, let's say in Bangalore or Hyderabad or Chennai, it's a tall order to meet their expectations to the same level, right? So it is not built just by one person or a small group of people. There is a huge investment that goes into infrastructure, into training, into learning, and it's a continuous process, right? So today we have Steelcase India, which is close to 100 people, which we call the customer-facing team. Okay, and there are more than 200 people, 250 people who are from the manufacturing in Pune. Right? And all this team come together, they discuss together, they brainstorm together, and one of those things happened yesterday. As we grew, we also realized that there are cities in India where Steelcase is not set up directly, but the aspiration of those customers in those cities are as big as any other metro or any other A-class city. So we decided that it was a vision that, we want to reach out to those customers, the deserving customers who value performance, right? So we set up channel partners across the cities. Today we have 20 channel partners, and these are just not in India. We have channel partners who are in Kathmandu, Nepal, Dhaka in Bangladesh, Karachi. We have from Maldives, and I think that's about it. At Colombo. right? So practically all the SAARC countries except Burma, we have very strong channel partners, and you have the similar work life that I showed you. Each of those channel partners have invested into it. We also have channel partners in cities like Ahmedabad, in Kolkata, in Chandigarh, in Indore, right? So we are spreading across India into the heartland of India, where there's a performance customer available. We want to reach out to them. Sam also talked about the work from home initiative, right? When pandemic broke, we were never big on e-commerce. Steelcase is a very customer-facing B2B believing business. But what we realized when pandemic happened, that our customers were working from their home. So within 3 months, we created an e-commerce infrastructure so that we could reach to our customers, right? And today we do almost like $1 million plus, where individual people can go to the website and they can choose the chair, and all our experience centers have got a dedicated space for individual customers to walk in, not business customers, but individual buyers. So we make a differential between users and choosers. Choosers are people who design for a large community, and users are the people who are living with that product. Okay? So I think post-pandemic, it also shows the agility of Steelcase in each of the country, each of the markets, how quickly we could pivot, and we could create a digital hub infrastructure which could reach to our customer in real time. Okay? And that's one of the advantages we found is that we have people coming in who are going back to their office and they're demanding from their employers that, you know what, I need a Steelcase chair to sit on because I've got that chair in my home, right? So I think the brand has become much bigger, much wider, much deeper by all these initiatives for us.